Hey guys, so I just wanted to give a quick explanation as to what we are looking at here. So this is the agenda that we're going to be working with today, and every day in math class you will get something that looks very similar. So I just wanted to walk you through what it is that we're looking at. Today we're just doing fun stuff, playing around with what this will look like. But in the future and starting next week, this table will look the same, but it will be filled with things that we're doing for math. So if you take a look at the top, there's usually going to be an introduction. So the topic today is just welcome to math. Usually, it may say something like ratios and proportions or whatever it is that we're working on that day. And then the date will always be displayed as well. So today is the 20th. Something that is not in this agenda but will usually be in one right underneath the topic right around here will be the standards for the day. Since this is just fun stuff, there's not going to be any standards, but like I said, we'll usually add those in there. And then next you'll see is where your agenda starts. So the way that we structure it is we've got steps. So we have step 1 here, so everyone will do step 1, and then down here we've got step 2, step 3, and then there's usually going to be a section that says extra. So in step 1, everyone will start today with taking the About You pretest. So you can see right here we have linked a pretest. You'll just tap that link. You're going to fill out the questions that are in the pretest. And then based on what score you get, you will go to different places and possibly even do different activities. Today we are saying if you get a pretest score of a 1, you will go to an activity on Miss Smith's channel. If you get a pretest score of a 0, you will do the activity with Miss Cattell. Okay, so once you get a score, you're going to do different activities. So let's take a look at the table that's below. As you can see, activity with Miss Smith. So if you got that pretest score of a 1, you are going to look at this column and you will only complete things within this column. You can actually go ahead and ignore the other column. Might be the same stuff, but just ignore it. You're only going to be looking at the activities with Miss Smith. So then you will go to step 2 under Miss Smith, which says teacher activity with Miss Smith. And then we put how to. You see right here it says how to. How do I do that? You're going to join Miss Smith's channel in team, and then you're going to fill out the About You template. After you fill it out, you will attach the copy to today's assignment. Okay? After you do that activity with Miss Smith, and she will lead that with you, you are then going to do step 3, which is this quizzes. So you will again tap this link right here. It will take you to a quizzes that's all about AMMS. And if you look at the how-to column, it says complete the AMMS quizzes. When you're done, you're going to screenshot your final score and you will attach it to the picture of today's assignment. Make sure that you don't crop anything else out. We want to see the full screen that you screenshot, and you will upload that picture under today's assignment. Now the last thing down here, this extra column, it says About Us PowerPoint. You can click on that and take a look at the PowerPoint that we made. Now, say you got a score of a 0. Let me erase this. Okay, if you got a score of 0, then you are going to do the activity with Miss Cattell. Again, you can see the steps are still here in this column. You've got the activity in the second column and then the how-to. Remember, you're going to only be looking at this side of the table if you got a 0, because remember it says a pretest score of 0, Miss Cattell, so you're going to be working here. You can ignore the other column. So within this column, you are going to follow the exact same steps. So you are going to do step 2, which is the teacher activity in Miss Cattell's. We've got the how-to. How do I do that? You're going to join the teams. You're going to fill out the attached template, and when you're done, you're going to attach it to today's assignments. And again, Miss Cattell is going to be leading this, so if you have any questions, you can ask her in the Teams channel. The next step, the third step, is going to be doing the quizzes, very similar to the Miss Smith's. You're going to tap that link right there. You're going to complete it. You're going to screenshot your final score. Remember, don't crop it. And you're going to attach the picture to today's assignment. And then lastly is the extra column, or the extra row, I'm sorry, which has this About Us PowerPoint that you can look at. You don't have to. All right, that's it for today. And if you have any questions, please let us know and we will be happy to answer them.